Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you? So I am here today with my Ellowyne Wilde doll. She's my new doll, and I was looking around. I was getting ready to try to figure out which pattern I wanted to sew for her, and I was looking and I saw an old glitter girl that I had, probably one of the original glitter girls, the ones with the more mature face. Anyway, I saw this dress that I'd made for her, and I thought, I wonder if that would fit. And it's a little bit wide up in here, but I think if you took the front part of the bodice there and just took a little tiny bit of it out, if you were going to cut that pattern out, just fold that little bit over, I think it would fit perfect. I think the sleeves look wonderful on her. The pattern is Sunshine Baby by All Dolled Up 81 on Etsy. I've had that pattern probably since it came out. And then I guess you notice her hair is different. This was a wig that I had purchased I don't know how long ago for a Rainbow High doll. I had so many of the purple haired ones that I just took the hair out of one of them and bought her a wig. And I'm like, that wig might just fit. And look at her in this. And when I put it on her, I realized how her eyes might work perfect as a goth doll. So I'm probably going to be on the lookout for a really nice gothy looking black wig, or maybe even like a Bride of Frankenstein wig. But anyway, I'm going to call my Ellowyne videos every day is for Ellowyne. So if you want to join in, hashtag every day for Ellowyne. I'll talk to you later. Bye.